Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sarah, and in my channel I do beauty related videos, majority makeup tutorials. As today I'm doing a makeup tutorial on this beautiful eye. If you can see it's blue glitter purple. I actually don't know what I'm gonna call this but you'll know since it'll be in the title. But yeah, if you want to see how I got this look, then please stay and watch. Guys, so I did this eye, but I haven't cleaned up underneath or anything like that, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do this eye with you, and we're gonna do a talk through. So yeah, so the first thing I'm gonna do is use my Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define concealer. This is in the shade C2. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply some on my eyelid and just blend it away. Okay, that seems pretty good. So now I'm gonna take a Essence Smoky Eye Brush, and I'm gonna go into the James Charles palette. The first color I'm gonna go into is this dark purple, which is called Escape. I'll apply it on my crease. And I'm just gonna pack it on really until it gets the intensity I want, until I get all around my eye. Oh, I don't think I ever said that I am an aunt of 2 now. I was gonna do this, but then I'm like, ew, that's like super ugly. Like just that one, like, can we see it? We cannot see it. Okay. That looks so bad. Okay, that's what I was trying to do, but I hate that stripe in the middle. Like it just looks ugly. So I decided I'm not doing that. I'm just gonna add this pink shade right here, and I'm switching brushes. So this is a small, more fluffier one. I literally keep doing purple, pink, and blue, and I don't know why. It's like that's the only colors that I feel like look so good together no matter how you put them. And I need to change it up. But I think I know why I'm so obsessed. It's because those are like my 3 favorite colors. Pink, purple, and blue are like my 3 favorite colors. So that's literally why I always end up doing the same makeup look over and over. Just different techniques or different styles, I guess. Okay, so I'm gonna go into Pinkity Drinkity with the same brush, and I'm just gonna blend the outside of, well, the edge of that. If I'm not saying that name right, then that's the name it's gonna have from now on. I am too lazy to look at the name right now. So I'm just gonna go over it with this. So I'm just gonna go a little bit in with that pink again. Why do I feel like this is missing some pink? I'm just gonna go in a little bit, just a little bit with pink right here. Okay, so now I'm gonna go into the white of the palette, and I'm just gonna go right here underneath the brow. So it's just a Wet n Wild brush. And normally I take my P. Louise, but today I used the concealer on here and it did nothing to the color, so I'm just gonna use it again. So I'm just gonna put it right. Oh, it went on my lashes. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna need more though. Alright, so now I'm gonna go in with the darker blue shimmer, and I'm just gonna add this in the outer area. And then I'm gonna go back in with the light blue and just go over where I went before. Okay, I think that looks great. So now I'm just gonna, I'm gonna use my glitter. I love these glitters, they're so pretty. So I'm using this blue glitter, and this is from an Etsy store. I don't know which one. I had a little card that they had gave me that came in like my parcel, but I threw it. I had it for a while too. I had it for like a year or so, and then I threw it. But I have these Etsy glitter ones ever since I started my channel, which is crazy. One of the first glitters I used was on the first video that I had on this channel, and it was a fall look, and I used the yellow glitter, I think, yellow or gold, I don't know. Okay, so I need glitter glue. Okay, so now I'm using NYX Professional Glitter Glue. Yeah. I'm just grabbing it like this, and it's about to fall all over my face. Oh, by the way, I'm using Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid eyeliner in black. Alright, so now I'm gonna do my eyebrow just to finish it off. So I'm using the AOA Studio Wonder Brow Tinted Brow Pomade. That took forever to read. I don't know why I like paused so much. It is in medium brown. These are so good. I love these. I need to get like in different colors because I've been using the darkest one forever, and I kind of want to get a lighter one, but I don't know. I feel like my eyebrows just look good with like a dark brow. So now that I did my eyebrows, I'm just gonna do the rest of my face and then I'll be back. Okay, so I finished doing the rest of my face. So now I'm gonna tell you what I did. So obviously you saw me finish the eyes. So all I did was add lashes, and then I added purple and pink underneath my eyes. For my face, I used the Mary Kay Luminous Wear Foundation. This is one of my favorites, and I used the ELF poreless putty primer also, and obviously I used the Revolution concealer. Then I used the Maybelline Fit Me powder, and this is in Fair 05, and I used a Muse Cosmetics matte bronzer, which hopefully shows up. I applied a lot, so. Then I used the Makeup Revolution blusher, and this is in Sweet Pea. Then I went in with Anastasia Beverly Hills Amrezy. I think that's how you say her name. I always say that. I don't know how you say her name. I really don't. Well, the highlighter from Anastasia Beverly Hills. So yeah, this one is super pretty. Like, hey, look at that. I think that's all I used. Oh, by the way, I am using G800 lashes. And then I use the natural lip liner, and then I use Bebe how do you say it, Velvet matte liquid lipstick. I kind of overlined my lips, so I don't know if it looks bad or not, because I tried, like, I went in with the blender and I like went over it and like redid it, but I don't know if you can kind of see that happened. I don't know, because I think I like overlined it like too much, so I wanted to go back and fix it. I know I like messed up, so I wanted to fix it, but I don't know if you can, because it kind of looks like, in my mirror it looks like basically like you can tell where I had overlined, but I don't know if you can see that. That is all I have on my face. Alright, that is all for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please remember to give it a like, comment down below, and subscribe. And I really hope you have a great day. Bye guys.